If there's one thing Kirby's good at, it's sucking, dude. Kirby sucks better than the rest.
And we go out and we for hurt you. We keep going round in a circle. Now this a can't this a surgery.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your BL fan.
What a vibes.
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. Say for the first time you check out the Chaddy Murray TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely I gonna be the first to know. And people, don't forget if you check out the merch store. Yes, we still have the bad beats, them and thing. Don't forget to check it out. And remember, for each purchase of the Sickle Strong shirt, the proceedings will go towards a sickle cell child that is in need.
We keep going round in a circle. Now this a can't love, this a surgery.
So the topic what we thought we talk about today is Majah Hype and him girlfriend Kirby. And the tape we released today, people. The tape we are talking about, you know, it is not like an electrical tape, and it's definitely not one of those cassette tape there. No, people, it's a sex tape where Kirby a do the things them. You don't swear say Kirby is a vacuum cleaner.
Kirby sucks better than the rest.
So people, this would be like the second time sex tape are released with she, that is Kirby, Majah Hype ex-fiance. I mean I tell you, it don't look good. So in case you don't know about the story, last week Kirby come out and say yo, Majah Hype a beat her. Then the next day at sex tape release, which was the first of many sex tape, it was accused that a Majah Hype released it. Then Majah Hype forward out and clear himself and say yo, I know him. Plus him release some other things about her, some damning information. People, we done the videos pan them already, so you can go and back go watch. But no, about three sex tape behind one another release with Kirby. I mean I tell you people, it don't look good. It don't look good. One included she do the things them, and you know, people must say she bad still. Some people are saying she not really bad, but to me, she can do her thing, you see me? And people, who don't know already, me can't share those sex tape. A matter of fact, I don't have them in my position. So nobody in the DM me and ask them if send. No, we not gonna send it. We don't have them. But people, me can describe the images of one of them with this song. Listen up.
She said for box and her face cause she not innocent. Carry that difference cause we different.
And me know say this is how Majah Hype is feeling right now.
What about me, you is a freak, you know. And remember when me love forget me. So me imagine how you deal with him. You know say that a mash up me head so.
Anyway people, before we really discuss the matter and tell you my thoughts of the whole situation, we have Pretty done for share fear thoughts.
Bad funny head dog, me nah ask you, Majah, you fool. Me can't believe see enough of a girl in her mouth pan tape. Now you make a girl come out and say you're a beater, you're an abuser, you're a manipulator, and man used to molest you. All them look at something there. Before you come out here a long time, come make we know say, oh, me fall in love with that Jezebel, and the Jezebel possibly gonna fuck up my life. No! You wait till the Jezebel come out here, make mixtape, splice tape, dub plate, come out, come make go for me.
Now we have Nikki Chromas sharing her point of view.
Waleep, my love. I have Waleep. Mine when me have must stay a good panic na blood clot. Man have none it's out, man nice. So make sure you get my nice angle them, and make sure you get my bottom well cock and well iron, get my waist fine, and me a overwork. Me I make sure me I ride and me I wine good. So when mine leak out, at least I can say is a girl bad. Now I say one thing, you know, Nikki bad no blood clot. So watch Nikki should go on here. Right this so. So if you're a man and you're there with a girl and me allow Kirby she and him let out that with me, a be a man I go in my DM the way man go look me, them a go look and them not go stop look. I'm baiting's pretty shantana girl. Them say check raw uncuts on Twitter for free, guys. But raw uncuts not everybody have Twitter. Yeah, if I him is a waste man style, but I don't think who you think it is, because my kind of my fear for believe say him a let them out and just nothing nah happen. Only think so? I just simple maths to just go to the cops, you know. I don't know why she even still have the videos in her phone if she about to get married. So she was about to get married. Oh my god, that's terrible. One of the video them my ears say, I want to show them him the day I perform while she in the bathroom. I don't know how true it is, my love, and the body just stunt you just not no sense. It can be tracked to an original IP address that was released from that too. So, a foreign, you know. Me I tell them I say a foreign, you know. A foreign, you know, and a Jamaica, you know, a foreign, you know. Them people that would investigate you go straight down to the teen, man.
Well, some people cuss Nikki Chroma sometimes say she not have no sense, but me I tell you, me agree with everything what she has say. Everything what she has say are facts. Anyway, we have comedian Jeffrey.
But John or Kirby. John or yo, John. All that man who ever say, me thank God me no picture for that God. Cause them get out there. Probably born Majah. You see, I'm telling about the game. You see, the cheating game and the relationship game is a game where it not play fair and it's just the game. It's gonna be the game forever. You understand? If me see my woman I give me bun with a man and that man knows he's a side nigga, I will never call that man phone. But you see, if that man they feel like him a fear nigga, like him a the main man, and she tell him about how she not talk to me, I go upset. I'm gonna be upset. If my girl, any girl ever catch me, ooh, me and him really there, catch me with other girl, my girl I get big up in the message him. Sometimes she ask about wifey. So what, your wifey go there, we go there, I'm gonna hold it though. Yeah. A principles to the thing, bro. But some of you know, here on the fuck up the game. If me and one side man, I'm gonna say you have your husband. You see, if you get a next man, pan me and your husband, me not like that. A 3 hour apart, where him come from? Where him come from? And that me not like with someone, but me and you not there. Bitch, you want it? Yo, me call them man, don't ramp with me, don't ramp with me, don't ramp with me. Cause me a side man where, if girl and, me see me there on girl and girl man call them phone, me there, yo, go on outside and answer the man, right? The man want you come, go on home. Go on home. Cause I see him with you if my girl there road and me a call her, she for answer the phone and a man for have respect for me and say, yo, your man a call you, go on home. I respect the game. Some of them me ball and that. You don't stop no brother. You can't ball upon live, brother. You want to meme you? Don't do that. Don't do that. You sure? But me emotional. Yeah, but you have to hold it though. Yeah man, hold it. Anyways, yeah. Yeah, man, have to respect the game. If you don't respect the game, bro. You don't respect the game. Enough man. Some man, and them big pussy girl, them man call them and answer the phone and take back as, man, I'm busy. Man, stop, make a call, yo. Me do somewhere, me so call her. Hang up. Hey, girl, you dead? You dead? I want to kill you. It take a rank, so I kill you. But the judge are going to say, yo, honestly, if it's up to me, I say nigga road, but the law is the law. You not got dead. Nobody not tell you, but me tell you not got dead. You gonna die. You gonna die. Yo, Kirby not rate the man, brother. Kirby not rate the man because I know them man. Listen, if a Majah post a video them, what them video they are doing a year for one? What them video they are doing for one? How would you do that? Come on, yo, brother. Wanna check for Majah, you know? Wanna try to have him at no blood clot, gym activity, or jog on him something, then we catch stroke and drop down, you know? Him not good. Hear me I tell you? Majah not good right now. Bumbo clot, yo, just don't respect the game, bro. That's the problem with the young generation. Don't respect the game. Don't respect the game. That a fuck up them look pick me, brother. Oh, you feel I do that? Oh, you feel I fuck other man girl and video it? But your blood clot bright. Cause not time some man go some woman and I beat up some man over them girl, you know. And I read the girl in my fight over. And the disrespect. Nah, man, I can tell you more. Oh, no, man. Oh. Me a thugs, brother, me a thugs. We bust gun boy, I don't think, yeah, man. We murder people, don't cry, can't wait, don't cry, no, I read it again. Alright, cool, man, not by the ball. Yeah. No, man, for real, dog. Them girl play with people, man. You know, play with people wicked, dog. Play with people wicked. You understand? Them a play with people wicked, youth. Hear me, I tell you, youth. Yo, John, no, dog. Yo, me just star about there, you know, brother. You wanna say the man are some local comedian. Man thing international. Cause Majah mad too, you know, cause remember I said Majah act like a woman, he act like him Trini, he act like him Jamaican, he act like the man is a genius, bro. But notice all genius. Them mad. Them name mad scientists for a reason, you know. You understand? This girl out here around for the man. Yo, John, no, yo, not it. You see? Brother, you know what I'm saying? Yo, pray for Majah. Pray for Majah. Yo, me drop down, you know? Yeah, me drop down. And catch, yeah, this is me, they want to continue upon this, you know. But, all the videos stay though, rate the video. All the videos stay. All the videos stay. Because, me give her, yo, John, no, Kirby. Yo, Kirby got that throat. She got that throat. She got that throat. I can't believe Kirby do this, dog. After she met the man boxer, she come and talk about the man be. No, that video, the one where the man a boxer in her face, that's not Kirby. Cause she don't have the tattoo. That's not Kirby. If that's Kirby, that's an old video. Cause she don't have the tattoo, but
Me did say, me I go share my point of view upon this. You know, me not really want to share my point of view still, but in my honest opinion, Kirby, you go low. And she not go low because at 6 tape they both with her and them sitting there. But the fact that you and Majah hype did for married, Zane? So you and Majah hype did for married, you know. So you mean to tell me say you still have them video here in a earphone because you claim say a Majah hype continue to release them. So if a Majah hype I release them, you did still have them video there in a earphone? Why? I don't know. You see me? Anyway, want to leave on the thoughts in the comment section below. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? One way, any other way, the wrong way. And people, wanna keep on tapes them close to you. Don't make it end up over porn up. Look at it.
I really want everybody to stop. And we need a moment of silence for Majah. Go. Amen.